All right, seal coat looks great. Time to give you a little show of the final product. Kind of looks the best right over in here. Seal coat took really well. So final wax polish we're gonna put on this thing right now. It's a little sure finish. Supposed to put 2 or 3 coats of that on, buff it up, and it'll be finished. Take down everything, clean up, and then once a year or whenever it looks like it needs it, annually put another coat on that wax finish.